Ganyan siya kataas eh, oh. Marami sa kanila dito. There are so many taller than you, ha?
Yes, even some girls are taller than me.
Why don't you try to play basketball also?
No, I'm still no. I'm a footballer. I used to play football.
You like football?
Yeah.
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Madami na nga pala ako mga video na lagi kong nagiging topic na dito sa lugar na to sobrang hirap talaga. Sa katunayan nga, dito yung poorest country sa ngayon. Ilang taon na yata na sunod-sunod sila lagi. Ngayon naman, ang topic natin, kung ano bang meron sila dito na maipagmamalaki nila. At marami na rin akong mga video na nababanggit ko lagi na karamihan sa mga produkto dito mga imported galing sa ibang bansa dito rin sa Africa, kagaya ng Uganda, Kenya. Yan ang karamihan. Pero kahit paano naman, meron din mga bagay na kilala itong lugar na to na masasabi nating maipagmamalaki nila. Dito sa products, ang alam ko na napakarami dito yung mani. Halos lahat kasi sa kanila dito pagka nagtatanim, yun ang isa sa pinakamarami sa itinatanim nila, yung mani. Katunayan nga, yung mga ibang kasamahan namin na dito rin nagtatrabaho, pag panahon ng anihan ng mani, namimili sila dito, sako-sako. At pag magbabakasyon sila, o kaya naman mayroong mga truck na bibiyahe papunta dun sa lugar nila, ipinapasabay nila yung mga nabibili nilang mga mani. At ang natatandaan ko, yung isang kasamahan ko, kailan lang bumili eh. Ang bili niya nung isang sako, malaking sako, ang presyo daw 30,000. So kung sa peso yon, 300 pesos lang. Isang malaking sako na. At ang isa pa sa maipagmamalaki nilang product dito, yung honey. Napakaraming honey dito. Honey?
Yeah.
Honey?
Honey.
How much is one small crystal?
10,000.
Huh?
10,000.
How much?
Ruben 약 800. 뭐라? 이거.
Ah.
이제 300.
Big one is- this one is 10, huh?
This one is 10.
Where you are? Me, I'm also president.
Yung what's it called this one? Honeycomb.
Aywa.
Honeycomb, right? Mm.
Very good. Oh, like what? You know the.
Just wait for me, ha?
I get me. Give me loop or the customer to me.
Okay, okay.
Here, my friend. Have you seen my sweat?
Pinapapak lang nila yung honey, oh. You will finish that one?
Why not? Have you seen the sweat?
Okay, I will get money. Honeycomb yan, oh, honeycomb. Sa mga products, yan lang ang alam ko. At nagtanong-tanong din ako sa kanila kung ano ba yung masasabi nilang ibang products na maipagmamalaki nila. Wala rin silang maisip. Yun lang talaga yung mga maipagmamalaki nila dito. Pero sa ngayon, meron uli silang may pagmamalaki. Doon sa mga mahilig sa basketball, siguro nabalitaan nyo na merong isang bagong NBA player na taga South Sudan. At taga rito mismo sa Rumbek. Hello, Paul Doctor.
Yeah, Vito.
Do you know that that young boy, the
Yeah, come on.
new NBA player? Huh?
Yeah, I know. I know you mean. I know his area. Even his father and his mother.
He's from Rumbek, huh?
Yeah, he's from Ubek.
But he didn't grow here.
Yeah, he's going there in that
They
side
left-
of America.
They left during
When she's still young.
during the first war, 2013.
Yeah, in touching. Yeah.
So now they are staying in America or what?
Yeah, he's staying in America.
Because
Eh?
what I saw in the internet, they left Rumbek
Mm.
during the first war, 2013.
2013, yeah.
They lived in Uganda,
Oh no, she went there in that side of Kakuma, in Kenya.
in Kenya.
Came, in refugees came.
Refugee camp.
And then she traveled to America.
Ah.
Yeah.
Now it became famous.
Yeah, it became famous.
Why don't you try to play basketball also?
No, I'm still, no, I'm a footballer. I used to play football.
You like football?
Yeah.
But that
Yeah,
one,
but many people, they say that I'm very good to play basketball.
because of your height.
Yeah.
In basketball, height is advantage.
It's most important, yeah.
Mm.
Like here in Rumbek, we have a lot of tall people.
Mm.
Even in our clans, we have very many tall people, taller than me.
Taller than you.
Yeah, like come on.
And you are already 6'7".
Yes. Maybe next year I will exceeding like 7. Yeah.
You're still young, huh?
Yeah, I'm still growing. Can you see even I don't have beard. My beard are growing now.
That Kaman, his height is
I think it's like
7'2".
7.2.
7'2".
Yeah.
And he's still young.
He's still growing.
He's still growing, huh?
Yeah.
Why don't you try also to play basketball?
No.
You don't like?
I don't like.
Ganyan siya kataas oh. Marami sa kanila dito. There are so many taller than you, ha?
Yes, even some girls are taller than me. Now I'm shorter there in our area. I'm short.
In
and I'm tall here.
in Freedom Square. Last time I went with James.
Yeah.
There are so many taller than James.
Yes. We have a lot of tall
So-
people here in Rumbek.
7-footer. There are so many here.
Yes. But why you guys are very short like this?
So many nationality are short. Not only us. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Pero meron na rin mga ibang taga rito na naging NBA players. Yung itinuturing na pinakamatangkad na NBA player, noon pa yon. Ngayon yata wala na yun eh. Namatay na yata yun. Yung si Manutbol. Taga rito rin yon sa South Sudan. At yung anak niya, merong anak din yon, NBA player din. At marami pa silang mga ibang player na lumalaro naman sa mga ibang bansa rin. At doon sa mga mahilig sa basketball, siguro natatandaan nyo, nung nagkaroon ng FIBA, pumunta yung team nila sa Pilipinas naglaro. Malakas yung team nila. Dahil sa totoo lang, malalaki talaga sila. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga bayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung shinare ko ngayon at maraming salamat po doon sa mga laging nanonood na mga ina-upload ko.